Hi Libra, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. This is your reading if your sun, moon, rising, or Venus are in the sign of Libra. So today we are going to cover the period of Mahalaya. So basically, it's the Mahalaya period from 20th of September 2021 till 6th of October 2021. During this time, we make offerings to our ancestors and to receive their blessings. And it is said that during these 16 lunar days, um, the ancestors are very near you. So it's always better to offer them our gratitude and um, pray for their well-being and peace, okay, and a better reincarnation, so that they can bless us. So, this is the period I'm going to cover here for you, Libra, from 20th of September 2021 till 6th of October 2021. Let's see what energy and guidances we have. I'm going to use my horseshoe spread. It is one of those oldest tarot spreads. I have never used it on my channel, but this is for the first time I'm using it. Um, so it's a 7 card spread. The very first card is you at this present moment. So let's see what's that. Okay. Second card is the hidden influence or challenge to this present moment. I'm using my Rider-Waite tarot, and I'll confirm, like I'll add, use, like I'll be using Unicorn card and Keepers of Oracle card to receive some additional message at the end. So Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, what has been your past or the reason for all this challenge and the present energy? Okay. What are your ancestors or divine God, angels wanting you to work towards, or they are saying they are actually guiding you with? Okay. All right. The people you're connecting with, our fifth card will be the people you're connecting with. What attitude do they have towards you? Okay. Um, the actions that you should be taking. And the final outcome. Okay. Hmm. Now let me tell you what these cards mean. So the very first card, which is you at the present moment, is Nine of Cups. So here, what I feel is somewhere down you're trying to settle down with your achievements, what you have achieved in your life, your goals. Somewhere down, some sort of wish fulfillment has happened for you. What you wanted, you have been able to achieve that. There are few things I do see that you have not been able to, but you seem to be emotionally satisfied at this point of time, Libra. The challenge to this satisfaction and being in your own element is Six of Cups, which are the sweet memories or good memories or maybe a past memory, which is coming as a challenge. Since it is coming as a challenge, that means you are under the influence of some past, like the people you have connected with in the past or some past situation that is coming as a challenge to your emotional fulfillment. The past has been probably somebody just blocked you, or somebody just went away from, like was ghosting you, was not giving you clarity of the situation. Probably that is what is there in your memory, and you have made peace with it in the present moment. But in the past, for sure, there was somebody who was not up to the mark as far as your expectations is concerned. um, the ancestors are asking you to really work hard towards your stability, and they're blessing you with money, abundance, name, fame, Ten of Pentacles is also at times, long-term relationship, long-term partnership. Now, based upon your specific situations, for some it can be relationship, for some it can be a business partnership. It is a very good card, and some sort of, a card which actually signifies stability and long term. Okay, so this is what they are blessing you with, and this is what they are wanting you to do, because when the pentacles come, it comes with a um, it comes with the whole idea that you have to really work hard towards it. Your hard work will be rewarded. um, People you're connecting with, what has been their attitude towards you is Seven of Pentacles, which is like they always see you as really working hard and waiting and wanting results from your hard work. You're somebody who is a visionary, seems to be, in your, like, you really put in your heart and soul into the work. The only thing that they have this thing in their attitude is, they feel about you is, probably you're not able to get the the result of your hard work. This is what they feel. Or probably they feel that, you are too obsessed with your work and self-absorbed. You are in some sort of rejection towards their feelings, because you're too involved and you're too worked up. Okay, the action that you have to take is Ace of Cups. So, please give yourself some fresh start when it comes to relationship or partnership or money or in general, because Ace of Cups is healing, a fresh start. It is the acceptance of the situation so that you can make peace with, um, uh, probably you've already been able to do that, but that is also coming with some past memories which are really challenging you to have a great start. Okay, so this Ace of Cup is actually asking you to do everything possible so that you can really have this, um, you can actually achieve this emotional satisfaction in future, which anyways in your outcome is. So if you're waiting for a support or somebody to come and give you help, offer you help, be with you, are you looking for a new relationship, this Ace of Cup and Knight of Cups is heal yourself and the person is there in your environment. So work hard towards your life. I think for some of you, it is a new relationship, maybe a long-term commitment kind of a relationship coming up. For some of you, it is business partnership. Somebody comes in and offers you a job offer, an amazing job offer, which will be long-term, or a business partnership. Some clients or some regular work comes in, and that takes care of your current situation. During these 16 days, you will have amazing people showing up to come and help you out in whichever aspect, like whosoever is sitting with, like, whether you're sitting with relationship or um, money matters or whatever. But what I'm here seeing is there will be a lot of emotional satisfaction, because you will have help, not just from the invisible world, but um, from the people around you also, because the outcome is Knight of Cups, which is all about offering. So somebody definitely offers you the cup of emotions, the cup of help, um, uh, really wants to be with you and work with you, because here a lot of cups and pentacles are here, and that is why probably I believe it is more to do with emotional work, emotional and psychological things. For some of you, it can also be spiritual journey, but I'm not getting that, except this card, which signifies spiritual journey. And this, because this is Tree of Life. Ten of Pentacles is Tree of Life. It is like balancing your good and evil, and really knowing what are your tendencies, and accordingly you're working in your life so that you can control the negatives and work towards the positives of your life. Okay, let's see what unicorns have for you, Libra. Let's see. Okay, this wants to come. Laughter. Life is not that serious for you, Libra, during this Mahalaya period. So laugh out. Um, Laughter will attract protection. Um, So yeah, I think these 16 days are going to be is asking you to not be serious, and really be emotionally, like, trust the whole process wherein you will be emotionally satisfied, and the whole journey starts from this moment on. You can't wait for these 16 days to get over and then you will feel that, oh, okay, I am emotionally satisfied or not. You have to start feeling that right away, Libra. Okay. From Keepers of Light, the message is sacred vision. It says choose to forgive. So this is forgiveness also. These, okay, choose to forgive in order to heal. So this whole healing that has to happen is to forgive the past people. The people who have ghosted you, or people who did not pay attention to your needs, okay, and did not reciprocate in the matter as you did. Okay, so choose to forgive in order to heal. See the light in all. Remember that love has no boundaries. Sacred vision. So it's very important to take life lightly. Have that have that forgiveness in your heart for everybody who did anything wrong with you, because your new life and new journey is starting. Good people you will be attracting, but you will not be attracting them only just by waiting for them. You have to clean your heart through forgiveness and with that sacred vision. I also link this with, the Hanged Man, which talks about changing the perspective of life towards a situation. So yeah, choose to forgive in order to heal. See the light in all. Remember that love has no boundaries. It will be very difficult to take life as it is, and really seeing divine in everybody. The person who is actually disturbing you or has caused issues in your life, it's very difficult. But the ancestors and the divine is asking you to do that. So that's what I have for you, Libra. I hope you liked it. All the best for these 16 lunar days of Mahalaya. Make full utilization of this period, and if you like this video, please share it with your loved ones. Comment in the comment section, as in what are you exactly doing for your ancestors and for their happiness and peace. And I'll see you in the next video. Please take care of yourself. Bye.